Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're in Mouse City, and oh, do you hear that? Something is coming, and these mice are in a huge hurry. We're going to help them find a place to hide while we practice relative clauses and prepositions of place. Let's go. Look at them go. The mouse who's wearing the pink dress is Mother Mouse. She's leading the pack. The mouse who's wearing the blue jacket is Father Mouse. He looks worried. Right behind them, the mouse who's wearing the yellow skirt is the sister, and she's keeping a close eye on the mouse who's wearing the red cap, her little brother. Wait. Who's the guy with the briefcase? Oh. The mouse who's wearing the glasses and vest is Uncle Bernie. He's definitely too old for this much cardio. And look at the little ones. The mouse who's wearing the yellow shirt is the older cousin, and the tiny one trailing behind, the mouse who's wearing the blue romper, is the younger cousin. Run, little guy, run. Okay, they need to hide. I'm going to give you directions. Listen closely to the prepositions of place to figure out where they end up. First, Mother Mouse and Father Mouse are heading to the building on the corner of the main intersection, on the west side of the map. It's opposite the bank. Where are they? That's right, the post office. Now, the brother and sister are running along the road. They see a building next to the cafe, just across from the bank. It's right in the middle of the southern block. They're hiding in the pharmacy. What about Uncle Bernie? He's running past the post office and around the corner. He wants to get out of town. He's at the building just past the tracks, at the back of the city. He's at the train station. The cousins are tired. They stopped at the building between the train station and the cafe. It's on the right side of the map, next to the trees. They're ducking into the supermarket. Phew. I think they're safe. For now. Let's do a quick check. The mouse who's wearing the glasses is. That's right, Uncle Bernie. And the pharmacy is between which two buildings? Correct. It's between the bank and the cafe. If you want to master these, try describing your own neighborhood using phrases like the person who's wearing and these prepositions of place. See you next time.